Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the edge panel. Alright, so first we need to open up our settings. When we are here we need to scroll down until we find the display settings. Scroll once more until you find edge panels. And if you want to turn it on, make sure it's pointed on the right side and it says on, and if you want to turn it off, simply click on that until you see it's off. Just like that. So now it's on. As you can see, the edge panel are available. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.